Good evening, everyone. Myself Manav, and I am here to discuss our next topic that is about sources of energy. Today, we are going to discuss about the sources. The sources mean the things from which we can get energy. And today, we are going to talk about the electrical energy. We're going to be talking about many of the resources from which we can make electrical energy. So let's start with energy. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do any work. If I lift this thing, so the energy has been used to lift this. Energy is used to lift this, and energy is also used to lift this. So energy. In my previous videos, I discussed about energy, and there's a statement that there is a law of conservation of energy that tells us that energy neither be destroyed nor be created. It can only be transferred from one place to another. And this statement defines the definition, the meaning of this statement is that we are unable to destroy energy, and we are also unable to generate energy. We can only transfer it. So let's start with our various sources of the energy from which we can make energy. The first one is about coal, fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are there. We can see fossil fuel like coal. Coal is an example of fossil fuel. It is in the depth of the earth, in mantle, as there are three layers of the earth. The topmost layer is crust, second is metal, and third is core. Yeah. So there are, if I have this plastic, I'll throw it on the ground. After some time, it will be unable to it will be not be visible to us. Yeah. It will go depth. The microorganisms, decomposers eat it, and they bury it. After some time, after many years, as it takes a long time period to create fossil fuels. Yeah. So these fossil fuels can be made after hundreds. It takes hundreds, thousands of years to create fossil fuels. And the example of the fossil fuel is coal. If we will burn coal, if we will burn coal, fire, yeah, the steam generated by burning the coal, we will take that steam, we will take into a pipe. Through that passage, let's suppose this is our wind fan, this, and there's a passage from which the steam is coming. It will rotate it. What is this? Mechanical energy. Yeah. And dynamo, we can say generator. When it will move, when this rotator, this fan will move. This is mechanical energy. And the generator. What is generator? It is an object. This is a type of a gadget which converts our mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is mechanical energy. And if let's suppose, yeah, this is a generator. So this will convert. This will transform. This will transfer the mechanical energy into electrical energy, and we can use in our various appliances. We can glow bulb with it and can do various works. In the starting of the video, I told that energy neither be destroyed nor be created. It can only be transferred. So this, and what happened in this? What this generator did? It transferred the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is our first source of the energy, which is through fossil fuels. Second is hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity. And what is hydroelectricity? That is you must remember, as in my previous videos, we also talked about nuclear energy and various other energies from which we have hydroelectricity. What is hydroelectricity? Hydroelectricity works on simple system, that is, we have dams. Let's suppose if this part is Sarovar, this is our dam. So what is the work of the dam? It just stops the water, and when it comes to a high level with the high pressure, all the manager, whatever the people there are, crew members, they open the dam and the water move from the Sarovar with a high speed to the rotator. This is rotator, and the water is coming. If the water is here, it comes. And what is the energy that the water possesses at this point? That is potential energy. And then it comes when it is at the midpoint of the distance between the tide and where the rotator is present. There 50% kinetic energy will be there and 50% our potential energy will be there. And then when the water will hit here, it will start moving, the rotator will start moving, and the same scenario will happen here again. That the same scenario which happened in a first source of energy, fossil fuels, in which we used coal, steam. It will start moving. Generator, we have generator, and then it will convert the mechanical energy again to the electric energy, and we get our electrical energy supplies through hydroelectricity. Now the third one is the simplest one, but it takes a lot of investments. That is windmill, and this also works on the same mechanism of same as the hydro power plant. We have wind. When this our rotator will obstruct the path of the wind, this will start moving. When it will start moving, the generator will change the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Same thing. Now I want to talk about nuclear power plant. What is nuclear power plant? There is lots of mechanism which is used in a nuclear power plant. First one is coal. Coal is used there. Coal is burnt with too much big burners, and the steam generated from there, that steam is taken into the pipes, and there are some rotators where the steam is sent with a high pressure, and then the wind they will start moving, the rotator will start moving, and the generator will transform the energy. Yeah. Now there are tides. It is also a type of hydroelectricity. Tides. Sorry. Have you listened to the word tide? Sorry for the inconvenience. So yeah, I was discussing the word tide. we have discussed the gravitational pull, gravity in our previous videos. So if there are two objects, this is law universe, law of gravity, that every small object, every mass attract the other one. Right now, this brush is trying to attract this one. Yeah, this one, but their mass are too much low. And why this geometry is going downward? Answer is gravity. Yeah, gravity. Why it is going downward? Why it is unable? Why this geometry is unable to pull Earth? As this is mass, Earth is also mass. Both are attracting it. Both of them are attracting each other. Why? What is the reason? As the mass of this object is very, very, very much low than the Earth. Yeah, that's the reason. So same happens in the universe, in the solar system, in our solar system, as we have Earth. This is Moon with lower mass. Moon is trying to attract us, and Earth is also attracting the Moon. Sun is also attracting the Earth. Earth is also attracting the Moon. Why? Their mass. So if this Moon is trying to attract, it is unable to attract the Earth towards it, but it is unable. It is able to attract tides, the water. Water in the seas, and they have too much bounce in the sea. Why? It is the movement that is due to of the Moon. As the Moon is trying to attract Earth, but it is unable to attract it because its mass is too much low than the Earth. But the Earth water is attracted towards the Moon. So those tides, there's pressure, there's energy. When they move upwards, that pressure helps us to make hydroelectricity. Water with too much high pressure, it hits the rotator, and then the same scenario happens as I already told you in the whole video. I hope, friends, today's topic is clear to you. I'll continue this topic tomorrow. Thank you.